Alrighty, so thank you guys for coming. Wednesday's live lesson. Christopher, I did ask you to throw out your gum. And I will share my screen. You guys will get your Nearpod ready, your tablet ready, your second device, okay? Hold on tight, do not blink. Christopher, can you throw your gum out, please?
I didn't have any gum.
Well, whatever you're eating. Okay. I will share my screen, okay? You will see the code, okay? Feel free to put the code in. Elias, thank you for jumping in. Okay, and show me a thumbs up when you are in the Nearpod. Okay, all right. Christopher, good job. Okay, all righty. Eli, show me a thumbs up when you're ready, just so I know. Okay, good, because it doesn't tell me on my end. Blessy, are you in, sweetheart?
I'm here. I just need to type in my name.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm waiting. Hi, Scott. Okay. So Scott, we are going to do, oh, thank you, Blessy. And I know we're waiting for Francis. So we're gonna do a Nearpod. So Scott, you may jump in to join nearpod.com. Okay. Alrighty, I'll just wait for the few that just made it in. Join nearpod.com. Francis is waiting. Blessy is, I'm just gonna change the names, okay? So one of the things I want to introduce you all to is calling on a friend to answer, okay? So every so often I may say, Blessy, as an example, can you call on someone to answer that question? And Blessy may call on Francis, she may call on Chris, she may call on Elias or Scott or Zoe or Jariah. Okay, so this is something that I want to start having you guys do, okay? So you're going to see the Nearpod code on the top left, okay? You'll see top left. Give me a thumbs up when you're in, okay? So during Zoom, we don't drink or eat or have our snacks, okay? That's one of our Zoom norms, okay? Okay, so please show me a thumbs up if you are in the Nearpod. Some of you are still, okay, Blessy is in. Elias, are you in? Okay, so can you ask your mom if you're in? Jariah's coming on, Zoe's getting there. So do you have the second tablet for the Nearpod? Okay, all right, good. Just want to know who I'm talking to. So Elias, do you know if you're in the Nearpod or not? Are you? Yeah, just unmute and let me know.
No, not yet.
You're not? Okay, all right. So I'm gonna move forward. Okay, today we are going to count to 120. So when I say count to 120, we're not gonna count like 1, 2, 3. We're not gonna count like that, okay? So I am going to show you using a 120 chart how we can count within 120. We can read and write numbers, but we're gonna do this by filling in a missing number on a 120 chart, okay? So that's gonna be us counting, okay? So today's lesson comes from Module 3, Lesson 4 in your course, all right? So at this point, I know some of you are getting started, but I'm going to need all eyes, okay? So this is our celebration station. You know, I didn't include our Zoom norms, but our Zoom norms are stay focused. I'm waiting for all eyes. Stay focused. Chris, lessen the distraction. Make sure you're zoomed in, ready to go, okay? I know, Francis, are you in?
Yes, I
Okay.
am.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't tell me right away. Okay. All right. So celebration station. I had some very successful DBAs recently. Some of these students are here, some of them are not here. Arush, Lajaria, Isabella, I should have included Jariah, Corey, Scott, and Samhita. Jariah, please forgive me for not adding your name to this, but Jariah, raise a silent hand. And Scott, raise a silent hand. We had some really good DBA recently. Okay, just want to throw that out there. Okay, all right. So when we count within 120, Christopher, can you please look up? Okay, so Chris, you have to ask your mom about that because I've never seen that before. That happened last week. And Chris, you're still eating, sweetheart. So when we count to 120, we can start at any number. I can find missing numbers, okay? I can use a number line to find missing numbers on a number line or a 120 chart, okay? So when you look at this 120 chart, there are some numbers that are missing, okay? And I'm gonna show you that on my camera in a second. Christopher, you can look up Christopher. So there's a few missing numbers. And in order to find those missing numbers, there's something that you have to do. You have to look for, sit up, Chris, you have to look for a pattern. So a pattern is something that happens repeatedly. So a pattern could be something like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, okay? Or a pattern could be something you see in the weather. Sunshine, rainy, sunshine, rainy, sunshine, rainy. So that's a pattern. So in order for me to fill in these missing numbers, I have to follow a pattern, okay? I have to definitely know how to add numbers, and I have to know a certain pattern to find out what number comes next, okay? So in this 120 chart, I have some blanks, some empty spaces, and I want to fill those blanks with a number, okay? So this is what you're going to see me do that using my document camera, okay? So I'm going to fast forward. You're going to see, hold on. Or I can use a number line to fill in missing numbers, okay? Or should I say to count, okay? So this number line right here, not number line, but this set of numbers has a missing number right here. And I have to fill that number in, but I need to know what number. I can't just throw any number in there. So let's just see. I'm looking for a pattern. Yeah, you guys are ready, but just watch me. So let me just do this real quick. 16, 17, 18. Oh, wait, how are those numbers organized? Well, they're going up. They're getting higher. 16, 17, 18. Oh, wait, I see a pattern. I am skip counting by ones. I know you guys have your hands up. You're going to have an opportunity, okay? So 16, 17, 18, 19. The pattern is skip counting by ones, okay? I'm going to focus up here. 21, blank, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there's that missing number, okay? Yep, Scott, give me a second. 21, let me see if that makes sense. Because I can skip count anyway. 21, 22, 23. Am I still skip counting by ones? Yes, I am. Okay. I could have included skip counting by tens. I know some of you are anxious to get started. Okay. So you look for a pattern. Am I skip counting by ones? you guys know how to skip count by tens too, okay? Hold on tight. And I know you want to jump in. Hold on. Thank you, Jiraiya. Oh, where do I go? Uh-oh, hold on. You're going to see my camera in 1 second. And as soon as you see my my screen or my camera, can you please show me a thumbs up? Look at all those thumbs. Waiting for Zoe. You see my camera? You see my missing numbers to 120? Okay, now I have my trusty document camera today, and I am going to show you, I'm going to model one more time, and you'll be able to join in and help me, okay? So missing numbers to 120, because we count to 120. A lot of you know how to count higher than 120. But I want to find a pattern. How do I fill in these missing numbers? I can't just put any number in any box, okay? Christopher, can you sit up, please? Okay, so let's see. I have an empty space right there. 1, 2, 3. Sounds like we're skip counting by ones. Let me continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm skip counting by ones. 9, 10. Perfect. I am skip counting by ones. 10, and my numbers are going to start here. They're going to continue here. 11. Well, I can continue this way, but I know how to skip count by ones. It's so easy. Okay, let's see if I can find a pattern going down. And every time I go down, I am skip counting by 10. I am adding 10 every single time. Okay, I want you to watch my pattern. I'm going to choose 8. And if I add 10, I have 18, okay? And if I add 10 more, that's 28. Let's see if I can pick up on the pattern. 1, 2, 38, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 58. Let's see. 68. So I am following a pattern of adding 10 every time, but the numbers here are the very first number in this digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who can raise a silent hand and unmute and tell me which number goes right under my 78? I'm going to switch markers, okay? So 68, Jiraiya, unmute.
78.
Oh, okay, 78. Who can raise a silent hand and tell me what number goes next? Because I'm going to tell you something, I'll be honest. A lot of times kids know how to skip count by tens, like on the decade. A decade is 10, 20, 30. Kids know how to skip count on the decade, but do not know how to skip count starting at 8 or 4 or 5. A lot of kids get stuck on that, okay? Because I think some of you haven't found maybe the pattern. 78. Jiraiya, can you call on a friend? See if you can read someone's name, some of your classmates that are here today.
Okay, I'm unmuted.
Jiraiya, can you call on a friend? Ooh, sitting up? Francis, sit up, please. Francis, you look sleepy. Joy, can you call on a friend? Can you say someone's name by chance? If not, I'll do it. Okay, all right, raise a silent hand. Who's gonna tell me what number goes next? Christopher, sit up, please. Go ahead, Blessy.
78 and then 98.
Oh, wait, 78.
88.
Oh, okay, okay, good. Can you give me the next number, Blessy?
88. And
Okay. Oops. 98. I had to change it to a 9. Who can tell me what number goes right under 98? So look at the pattern. 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. Zoe, can you help me with the next number? You can unmute. And then Scott.
98.
Okay, we have 88, 98. What number comes next?
78.
Look at the pattern. 7, 8, 9.
10.
Okay, so we're going to keep it 10. 108. And then after 10, what number comes after 10, Zoe? What number comes right after 10? When you're counting, what number comes right after 10? Francis, wake up.
11.
Okay, 11. And then I'm gonna stick that number 8 in there, okay? I need someone, Scott, you're next. 56. What comes after 56?
Oh, 57.
We're gonna skip count by 10s, going down.
Yes, I know.
Go ahead.
66.
Okay, Elias, you're next. 66. We're gonna follow 5, 6. What number comes next, Elias?
76.
Very good. Who would like to call on a friend? Zoe, can you call on a friend?
Blessy.
Ooh, Blessed, she called on you. 76. Blessed, what number comes next?
77.
Okay, look, we're gonna go down, counting by 10s, down this way.
66. 68.
Okay, look. 5, 6, 7. What number comes next?
8.
And I'm gonna put my 6 in there. 86. Blessy, what number comes next?
9.
And then I'm gonna stick that 6 in there. 96. Okay, Blessy, call on a friend. Christopher, sit still.
Francis.
Ooh, Francis, she called on you. 96. So 9.
9.
What number comes after 9?
Wow. 106.
Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna start at 54. Jariah, what number comes after, not Jariah, Christopher, 54.
54.
Counting by 10s, going down, Christopher.
56.
So we're not counting by 1s. Look at the pattern. Watch this, counting down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, counting by 10s. We're at 5. What number comes right after 5?
11. 6.
Okay, 60, and then I'm gonna throw that 4 in there, okay? So guys, think about patterns, okay? Hold on tight, you're gonna be able to practice this on your own, okay? Show me a thumbs up if you see my Nearpod one more time. Thank you, okay. You're gonna practice this on your own, okay? Oops. Fill in the blanks. Yes, Christopher, unmute. I can't hear you.
Miss Rojas,
Yes, Christopher.
when I go to Nearpod and I put the code and I have to put in a code and I press the button and it doesn't come out.
Okay, so like I said, I saw that issue last week and I told you at the beginning, you have to talk to your mom. I don't know what's there. You have to ask your mom to help you. Okay, all right. Okay, pay attention to the pattern. 10, blank, blank, 40. Now go back and check your work because I've seen some responses and I'm not sure I agree with them. Zoe, go back and double check. Okay, Francis, good job. Jariah, good job. Blessy, great job. Waiting for what? Scott, really good job. Waiting for one more friend. Okay, two more friends. Waiting for Zoe and Elias to fill in the blank. Because I saw one friend put a number 10 right, put a number 11 right after. Follow the pattern. 10, blank, blank, 40. It can be 11 if that goes up to 40. Okay. Waiting for Zoe and Elias. Elias, are you able to write on? Are you able to write? Okay. No. Then I'll ask you in 1 second. Okay. I'm just going to wait for Zoe. Okay. Now, Francis, if your number line were to continue after 40, Francis and Blessy and Scott, listen to this one question, and Jariah, looking at this number line, Francis put, we had 10, 20, 30, 40. Francis, what number would come after 40?
50.
50, good, good. Zoe, pay attention if there's any ones in there. So the number 10 doesn't have any ones, but you have 20, 30, 40. I see your pattern, just fix that 20. I see what you're doing. There's no ones, okay? All right, let me look at Jariah's. Jariah, very good, very, very good. Okay, just waiting for one friend, waiting for Zoe to fix that number. Okay, Elias, can you tell me what number you would put after the number 10? If you can't do it, that's okay. What number would you put after the number 10, Jariah? Thank you, Zoe. Good, Zoe, good. Okay, Jariah, not Jariah, Elias. I'm sorry, Jariah. Elias, what number would you put? There you go, perfect. All right, we're gonna move forward. Good. Now listen, this is what I saw. I saw the number, I saw the first number on your open number line was 10. I saw a friend put 11 right away, but they didn't look that this was 40. Okay, all righty. Okay, I'm going to move forward. Fill in the blank. It starts at 2. Your open number line can start anywhere. It can start at 5, it can start at 7. Look at the first number, look at the last number. Don't just start. Try to come up with a pattern, okay? Zoe, very good job, Zoe. Okay, there's always a set pattern. It could be counting by 10s, it could be counting by 5s. I could have put 100. Oh, Zoe paid. Okay, good, Zoe, good.
Are we going by ones or twos?
I can't tell you. You have to figure out the pattern. I would love to be able to tell you. So when you're writing, think of also writing, you know, having correct number formation. Okay, Zoe, good job. Zoe, look at your 5 and look at your 7. I want you to fix those two numbers because when we're writing, we have to make sure that we have very good, perfect letter formation. I know this is not number formation. I know this is not easy writing on Nearpod. I've tried it myself, and sometimes I struggle too. So Elias, before you get started, because you don't want to waste your time, just see if your pattern's correct. 2, because you said by ones, 2, 3, 4, test it out before you start writing, doing all that hard work. Okay, let's see. Francis, very good, Francis. Zoe, good job. Scott, good job. He's almost finished. Okay, Chris. Okay, I don't know if you're able to write a little smaller, Chris. I know it's really, really difficult. Your pattern is correct. You're missing 2 numbers because your numbers are a little big. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna check in. All right, waiting for Jariah. Good, Jariah, very good. Blessy, really good. Blessy, look at your number 7. I'm looking for correct number formation. Scott is fancy. He was able to type those numbers in. Zoe, very good job. Zoe, look at your number 7. Okay. Eli's got that line there. I know it's not easy. It's hard for me too. Worst case scenario, Elias, you can always just tell me. And Chris can always just tell me too. All righty. It's definitely not easy. Okay, Chris, good. Chris, look at your number 5. Tell me if that number 5 is written correctly. We're looking for correct number formation. Zoe, can you add some numbers after 10? Look at your number 9 also, not Noe, Zoe. Look at the number 9, okay? Very good. Okay, Elias, you want to just tell me the pattern you see?
She counting by ones.
You're counting by ones, very good. So can you just tell me what your number line would look like? Starting at 2, go ahead. You can count out loud and I'll hear you.
3.
Keep going all the way to 10. Good, Chris. Very good. So some of you are finished. You can extend your number line after 10 as I wait to hear from Elias. So you could put 11, 12, you can extend your number line. Blessy, you can extend your number line. If you like, Scott, you can extend your number line. Dry, you can extend your number line a little bit. Okay, good. I know it's not easy. Yes, Blessy?
I'm gonna make my own number line.
Sorry,
Oh,
one moment.
she said
He's
she's gonna
trying
make
to
her
get
own
to it.
number line. That's perfect. Yep, Zoe, you can make your own number line. You know, Elias, why don't we do this? Tell me what your number line looks like. Go ahead, you tell me. Jariah, you can create your own number line like some of the others. You have the ruler in front of you, Jariah. Jariah, you can create your own number line or you can add after 10. Jariah. You can add after 10. Go ahead, Elias, read your number line to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you go. I'm so sorry that Nearpod is a little kooky. Okay. All right. So raise a silent hand if you're ready to play a game with me. Raise a silent hand if you'd like to play a game. This game is called I'll Take a Shopkin. Okay. I'm going to go back to my document camera. Okay. All right. Raise a silent hand if you see my 120 chart. Okay, good. Now watch this. I'm going to take this out the way. And we're going to play I'll Take a Shopkin. Okay. So you will see my 120 chart. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. And you have to say, I'll take for example, you could say, I'll take a bathtub, and you have to tell me what number goes in that spot. Or I'll take French fries, or I'll take a pineapple, I'll take a TV, I'll take a purse, okay? Or I'll take a chair, a telephone, all right? So I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna put it up a little bit, okay? And I'll move it up. Yep, thank you, Jariah, hold on tight. Or I'll take a camera, all right? Everyone has to fill in one of these blanks for me, okay? I will call on, let's see, Jariah had his hand up first, okay? Now watch this. You're gonna say, I'll take, tell me what Shopkin you want. I'll remove it and you have to tell me what number goes there, okay? You know, let me do it first, Jariah. I know you know, but let me do it. I'll take a shoe. Watch this. I'll take the shoe. You'll say, I'll take a shoe. I'm going to remove it. Okay. No, I'm not going to remove it yet. So you have to tell me what number goes there. I'm not going to remove it until you tell me. Okay.
Like a shoe.
You're going to take a shoe?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jariah, you'll take a shoe. Jariah, what number goes where the shoe is?
21.
Ooh, raise a silent hand or give Jariah a thumbs up if you think that this number right here is 21.
Mm.
Ooh, watch this. 21. Okay, who's next? Good job.
Ours.
She gave you a reaction. Okay, Zoe, you'll take, what would you like, Zoe?
T. A TV.
You want the TV? Zoe wants to take a TV. Okay, Zoe, what number goes where the TV is?
You said 10. 10.
Okay, so Zoe said 10. Raise a silent hand if you think the 10 goes there. Okay, let's see. Elias, you think the 10? You think this is the spot for the 10? Okay, there you go. She's right. Who's next? Francis, you're next. I'll take
I will take the French fries.
I want the French fries too, Francis. Okay, Francis, what number goes right where the French fries are?
24.
Raise a silent hand if you think the 24 goes there. Elias, raise a silent hand if you think the 24 goes there. Jariah, woohoo, 24. Let's see if he's right. Thank you, Zoe. 24. Okay, Blessy, you're next, and then Elias.
I picked the camera.
You'll take a camera? So, Blessy, what number goes where the camera is?
44. 41.
Good. Okay. So show Blessy a silent hand if you think the 41 goes there. Show her some love if you think she's right. Jariah, do you think she's right? Show a silent hand. Let's see. Whoa, she's right. Elias, you're next. And then Zoe again.
I'll take a pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay, Elias, what number do you think goes there?
I think 37.
Okay, so raise a silent hand if you think 37 goes there. Jariah, raise a silent hand if you think 37 goes there. You don't think so? He doesn't think so. Okay, let's see. 37. Oh, okay. Zoe, you're next. And then Francis.
I want a bathtub.
You'll take a bathtub. Okay, Zoe, I'll take a bathtub too. Zoe, what number do you think is under the bathtub?
62.
Okay, raise a silent hand if you think 62 is under the bathtub. If you don't raise a silent hand, that means you don't agree with her. Thank you, Blessy. Thank you, Elias. Thank you, Francis. Jariah, you don't think a 62 goes there? Oh, I need your vote. Let's see. Take away the bathtub. Woo, very good. Blessy, you're next. And then Elias. And Scott, I don't see you. Go ahead, Blessy. What would you like?
I'll take the purse.
You'll take the purse. Where's my purse? Ooh, on the top. Okay, Blessy, what number do you think is under your purse?
6.
Okay, raise a silent hand. Cast your vote. Do you think 6 goes there? Thank you, Elias. Zoe, do you think the 6 goes under the purse? Oh, Jariah, you got to vote with us. Francis, vote with us. Let's see if she's right. 6. Okay, Jariah, you're next. You'll take that's a Hershey's Kiss, by the way. One of my favorite chocolates, just so you know, in case you didn't know.
I'll take a chair.
You'll take a chair. Okay, Jariah, what number do you think is under that chair?
70.
Okay, raise a silent hand, cast your vote. Zoe, hold on to the necklaces. Cast your vote. Does a 70 go under that chair? Thank you, Blessy. Thank you, Francis. Elias, what do you think? A
Vote.
70? What do you think, Zoe?
Everyone vote.
She doesn't think 70 goes under there. Okay, well, skip counting by 69. What number comes right after 69? Zoe, what number comes right after 69 if I were to count by ones? 69? Okay, 70. He was correct. Okay, who's next? Blessy and then Francis.
I picked the cupcake.
Oh, she wants a cupcake. Oh, it was sticking out. Okay, cupcake. What number's under the cupcake, Blessy? And then I need,
100.
she said 100. Who thinks the number 100 is under that cupcake? Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Jariah. Thank you, Francis. Let's see. Thank you, Elias. Yes, correct. Okay. Who's next? Francis, you're next. You'll take a
Chocolate.
chocolate. My favorite, one of my favorite candies. Okay, Francis, what number do you think is under that chocolate? Zoe, hold on to the necklace. You're a little distracted by that.
I think it's 30.
Ooh, raise a silent hand if you think 30 is under that chocolate. Jariah? Do you think 30? Just yes or no? Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, good. Chris, you're ready. Chris, choose a Shopkin. I'll take we have a telephone, we have a t-shirt, we have milk, we have a guitar, we have 2 guitars or violin maybe. We have broccoli and we have lipstick. Chris, choose a Shopkin.
I think I'm gonna choose the juice box.
Okay, so this, since it says moo, I'm gonna assume that it's a cow. Okay, so Chris, what number is under that that little the milk? What number is right under that milk?
81.
Okay, let's see. Raise a silent hand. Do you think he's correct? 81? 51, 61, 71. Waiting for every vote.
Oh, and
Thank
even look at this.
Oh, 81. Okay, good. Let's see. One more friend. One more. Last one. Okay, Zoe, your turn. We have broccoli. We have lipstick, a guitar, 2 guitars, maybe 2 violin. What would you like, Zoe?
Shirt. I mean the shirt.
The shirt, the t-shirt. Okay, Zoe, what number do you think goes under that t-shirt?
65.
Okay, guys, cast your vote. She said 65. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need all your votes. She said 65 under the t-shirt. Chris, do you think there's a 65? You got to cast your vote. Waiting for Jariah's vote. Jariah's a late voter. 65, Jariah? Whoa! She did a good job. Okay, let's continue. Next, who's gonna do one more? Christopher, do one more because you walked away for a little bit. I want to try to grab you. Okay, Christopher, take a Shopkin.
I like the phone.
You want the telephone, one of those old school phones? Okay, Christopher, what number do you think goes under that old school telephone?
67.
Okay, guys, cast
I
your vote.
guess so.
He said, I guess. Okay, well, he sounded like, cast your vote, Zoe. He sounded like he wasn't sure. He's like, I guess so. Okay, Chris, 63, 64, 65, 66. The pattern is we're going to keep our 6. Our tens place is not changing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if he's right. 67. I don't think he just guessed. I think he knew it. Okay, Elias, one more. We have 2 guitars, broccoli, and some lipstick. So you could say yellow guitar or orange guitar, Elias, and then Jariah's next.
Orange guitar.
Orange guitar. Okay, Elias, what number is under your orange guitar?
94.
Okay, so cast your vote. He said 94, guys. Thank you, Francis. Thank you, Blessy. Jariah, did you cast your vote? Chris, I don't know why you're unmuting. Okay, 94. Zoe, 94. What do you think? Christopher, stay still. Okay, let's see. 94. Good job. Jariah, one more. Christopher, you're very distracted. Hold on to that cylinder you have in front of you. I don't know what that is. Okay, Jariah, go ahead, and then Blessy. I'm sorry, Blessy. Jariah, go ahead. We have lipstick, broccoli, and guitar.
Yellow guitar.
Yellow guitar. Don't take the lipstick. I think Blessy wants it. Okay, Jariah, what number do you think is under the yellow guitar?
98.
He said 98. Let me move it.
Every time I move, it's not me actually moving. I just like my
Okay.
computer glitched.
Okay, try again, because it was hiding the other number next to it. What number is under the yellow guitar, Jariah? Try again, because the other number was covered up.
Oh, I know. 67.
Try again.
97.
Okay, good. Cast your vote. He said 97. Cast your vote. And then Blessy, only one vote. Zoe, Zoe, cast your vote. Okay, he said 97. Christopher, is it 97 under here? Here we go. Blessy, last one, and then one more, and then I'll do the last one.
And by the way, when I move, it's not actually me moving it. My computer just glitched.
Okay, yeah, it happens. Okay, Blessy, your turn. Lipstick or broccoli?
Lipstick.
Okay. Blessy, what number is under the lipstick?
120. 102.
Okay, cast your vote, guys. Okay, let's see. Francis, cast your vote. She said 102. What do you think, Francis? Okay, let's see if she's right. 102. I'll take the broccoli since no one chose the broccoli. I'll choose broccoli. There's number 105 and 107. I know this is counting by ones. 104, 105, 100. I know 6 comes after 5. 106. Okay, all righty. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Very good job playing. I'll take a Shopkin. All right. Are there any questions that pertain to missing numbers or skip counting? Listen first. A math related question. Blessy, what is your question? Zoe, the bracelet.
What is your favorite animal?
Oh, I said math question.
Oh, that question. What is 10 plus 10?
I know how to skip count by tens, so I'm going to say 20. Okay, Jariah, hold on to that. Okay, guys, any other math questions? Math questions. Yes, Christopher?
Teacher, I can show you something.
Oh, no, it's Miss Rojas. Jariah, we're not doing that right now, Jariah.
I mean, Miss Rojas, I can show you something.
Okay, so what I said was math question.
Then tomorrow.
Okay, guys, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, stay there. I will see you guys tomorrow for science. Now, for science tomorrow, you need a pack of Skittles, okay? Hold on tight.
Oh,